Charlie, we just got this for my computer. Can you tell me what it is?
Yeah, so this is your processor. This is the i7 14700. Uh, what's important about processors is not to look at i5, i7, or i9. Those are the numbers like people really get obsessed about. You kind of look at the number after that, the 14700K. So that's going to say it's in the 14th generation. So a i7 in the 14th generation is going to be better than like an i9 from the 10th generation.
Cool.
So, well, we got this. We actually splurged a little bit on this one. This one's got 20 cores,
Which
and
means like more power, right?
yeah. So
Sick.
this is basically like the brain of your computer.
Awesome.
So all your like processing power is gonna come from here.